Right now, my bad.
Gang shit, no lame shit.
It happened. My brother, he popping it tonight.
I say that shit happening. Crazy how it happened, and I swear that's how that happened.
Pop your shit, man.
Shit on Zizki, man, but you know what I'm saying, being full effect. My gang and them bitches, my Z's and them, my family and them, my mom might be in that bitch. So not to come, no.
She might be pulling in a building. What's up, baby? The guys. Quit playing. What's up, baby? What's up? I'm with you, gangster. Oh.
How you wanna do it? Don't worry about it. Oh, dude ain't in the car.
What's up, baby?
Yo,
nah, it's good. I know, pop your shit. I know. What's up?
Tonight.
You know what these is?
Yeah.
$150 sweat. Yeah.
Fucking playing with him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pocket full of knots, you know?
Yeah.
Full of knots.
Yeah.
Them Yankees, yeah. Everybody
hear
throw
me?
2 of them bitches back to get it. Yeah.
Hey,
Outside.
Outside.
What a stunner? Yeah, we going down.
this shit on slime, man. You see how we do this shit in the hood. This shit ain't before the deal. This shit way before the deal. It all on the muscle, like we, you know.
I ain't got my
back to
light.
back,
Fuck
you know what I'm
it.
saying?
They gonna throw the light on.
Back to back with this shit. This shit before the deal, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta do all that, man. This shit, you know what I'm saying? Shit going on for real. You know what I'm saying? 2026 type shit, you know what I'm saying?
Stop fucking
Tell nigga get over us.
Yeah.
And I'm always with my Zskis, man.
Yeah.
This shit I never, you know what I'm saying? With my Z's, man. What up?
Yeah.
Man, we out too.
I go to down right quick.
Already.
Tell tonight.
The black truck right up. Come on.
I cannot trust you, my own sister, put a drop on me. I'm stressing, trying to get
So in the building. The guys in the building.
They got my right wrist on this head. I'm feeling down, so materialistic. I love switches, I'm a
I ain't even got the shades on. Them bitches on my head though. Bitches on my head.
I'm tired of spinning, man.
Birthday guy.
Your little bitch said that she gon' leave me over my head body. Been popping perkins back to back since I put down the bodies. I up the scope, go check the stats on more than couple bodies. Keep switching,
Pop shit. Yeah.
I'm chilling. Stop.
Yeah, he said you know working. Quit playing. Shit.
Bottles in my shit. Take them out.
We on Z time, straight Jersey shit. If you ain't Z, I ain't rocking with you straight up.
Saying.
Fucking business, nigga. Stop playing. Everybody stop fucking playing, nigga. Stop playing.
Yeah.
Yeah, nigga. When a nigga move, excuse me. When a nigga move, a nigga move.
He gave it to you?
Nigga all at the ATM machine, shut the ATM machine.
Go using everything, nigga. Fuck them niggas, man. You know what's going on?
Everybody missing this is cool. Nobody knows you.
Just want him by himself.
Yeah. You get dog shit for real.
Yeah.
Where that at?
All this out of drugs, nigga. You ain't doing no cap.
Let me call Steve.
Hey, you ain't even gotta touch it. You ain't even gotta touch it, brother.
He said you ain't gotta.
You ain't gotta touch it.
What's up, baby?
Z time.
I get my big dog a snip. He'll tell you it's
Straight Z
certified.
time, man.
Yeah.
Z, we ain't really fucking with you straight up. Send me the pictures. I like
Indeed. Yeah.
I ain't learning to snipe. I'm by myself. Straight up.
Yeah.
Z time.
Yeah.
5 years. Remember what I said.
Yeah.
This is July 25th.
Yeah. They see where the fuck we at.
June 1st, 2026. We back popping and
Yeah.
we back open.
Yeah.
And they got them films.
They see. Yeah. They see where the fuck we at. They see. You know. Yeah. Wow. Huh?
On them black.
Yeah.
Gotta get boosted.
Outside, man. Guy on fucking beat, man. My guy's on